Delhi's Jantar Mantar has spiraled across the country, and after Delhi, if one city that is gaining momentum about these NEET protests, that is here in Mumbai. I am right now at Shivaji Park, which has become the epicenter of protest in Mumbai for the past 1 week. Since last week, many students are coming here on their own. There is no leader here in Mumbai who are leading them, but lot of students and youngsters are coming out in large numbers in Mumbai Shivaji Park to protest over these NEET paper leaks and to show solidarity to people who are protesting in Delhi. Right now you can see the electric atmosphere here in Mumbai as well. A lot of youngsters have gathered here. They have come out with slogans and banners and posters. Some have come out from their colleges, some have come out from the offices. We'll try to speak to some people and understand what do they have to say about these protests. Where are you guys from? Like, have you been following the protests? What made you come to protest?
So we have followed the protest on social media and we came from Andheri. So we were working today and our manager told that we can go to protest. So we made all these posters in our office only and we came here with our manager.
That is lovely. So I think we will first talk to the manager. Sir, you have allowed everyone to come out and protest and you have come yourself. So what actually motivated you? Why is it so needed? Why do you think so?
I think it's more so for the students who committed suicide. The entire protest, the act is for them. We have come forward only to support them. That's why we are here.
Sir, could you tell us your name, please?
My name is Errol Cotta.
Right. And you have been following these protests for the last 1 week or so?
It's been almost 2 weeks I've been following this and I've been waiting for this moment. So I'm going to come back again on Sunday to join the protest.
How did you come to know about this? Like, where to gather and how to follow it all?
It's more on Instagram and then my colleague John, he keeps me updating about this information. So yeah, that's how.
So all of you guys have come to know about this through social media and you've been coming here.
Yeah, even my daughter is here. So I got her for the protest. She was quite eager to come for the protest as well. She's 16. Just 16 years old.
So what do you have to say about this? Because this has been saying that the Gen Zs are not serious kind of people, but now we are seeing that the Gen Zs are coming out in large numbers.
It's really necessary for him to resign because this is taking very lightly. Everything is taken very lightly, like the need where students have suicided and all. It's not like...
So you're worried about your future as well?
Yes, of course.
What do you want to do in future? Like, what do you want to become?
I want to go in finance,
But
CA.
competitive exam is something that you will have to anyway.
Yes, of course.
Right.
It's competition everywhere.
Yeah. So we can also see that there are these posters and banners that these girls have brought along with them. Did you make all these posters?
Yes, we did.
How much time did you spend making these posters?
Less than 30 minutes.
And what is it? Are you coming this for the first time or?
Yeah, this is the first time. It's our first time.
What do you think about the protest?
I think this is something which our country has started doing and it's like amazing. We would stand for it.
So do you think this has anything to are you coming here because of some political banners or messages or you came here for
This is totally what we think about our country and we think what has been going on and we support this. So we have come here for that.
Right, thank you. So you see a lot of people are coming here on their own. What is unique about Mumbai is that there is no one particular leader who's leading these people to come out on roads. There are few people who have been coming here almost every day. They were part of this protest right from the beginning. So we'll talk to them like how they came to know about these protests and how they organized all of this. Your name, please.
PK.
So you have been in this protest since the beginning. What made you first of all join the protest and how did you come up with are you here with your friends or how are you coming here?
I made a lot of friends here, in fact. Initially when I came, I was only with one friend. Now every day when I go back, I have plus 10 friends. That's what this protest is doing to all of us. And you asked why I came here. I came for a simple reason. Our governance needs to give accountability. NEET paper leak hua hai, they need to be accountable, and we deserve, actually, we demand and we deserve the resignation of the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan.
So I have been talking to a lot of protesters, and what I get to know about it, like the sense that I get is like there is no one particular leader who's leading this protest, but still a lot of people like you are coming out in large numbers every day. How are you kind of managing all of this?
It's a very interesting question, honestly. Especially for the 22nd July, there was no one organizer, but we, the youth, came together. Like लक्ष्य का एक गाना मुझे याद आ रहा है, कंधे से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं. That's exactly what happened. Right here is Pooja with me. Pooja is the one who coordinated with me. We came together. Then there is Dheer over here. He is from the doctors team. We all contacted each other. We all collaborated our groups together. And on 22nd July, we were like a huge crowd managed by us.
So I believe that you guys are coming out in groups and all of that. Are you not scared of getting detained? Because we have seen that over the past few days, over 1,000 people have been detained. So how are you trying to manage all of that?
Yes, we have been detained also. We have been served notices. We have been like in FIR also there is our name. But what we think is that it's not the time to get your foot back because of this operation, this suppression of student movement the current BJP government is doing. What we feel is we must unite. We must raise our slogans. We must raise our hands and we should fight for our right, and our demands are mainly like ki Dharmendra Pradhan must resign. He is the responsible person. We must take accountability. We must ask for the accountability. NEP new education policy should be taken back. जिसने बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स से आज एक शिक्षा पाने का मौका छीन लिया है. Also NTA should be scrapped, जिसके आने के बाद से पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं. तो ये डिमांड लेके हम यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं.
You are from the medical group. It all started with the NEET paper
Very
leak.
personal to me.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tell us about it.
So my experience was also very similar. I gave my NEET in 2021, and at that time also there was a leak. But that time the government took action really pretty fast. But this time I don't know what reason they have. They're not taking any action. Modi is not even speaking to anybody. It's really annoying, and we are all really frustrated. NEET papers have been leaking since 2012. So since 2012 to now, there has been no action. And this year it was a boiling point because as the years have gone on, the more and more people have started giving the NEET. During my time, there was only 17 lakh people who were giving NEET. This year, it went to 32 lakh. So a lot of people are getting affected, right?
Yeah.
And someone needs to be accountable.
Sure. So also one last question to you all. Yes, if you can tell her. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Manveen. I'm a millennial and I just want to tell you कि मेरे सिर्फ पेरेंट्स ही नहीं, मेरे in-laws भी क्या कहते हैं मेरे को आने को नहीं कर रहे. So it's not just a Gen Z problem, it's a Indian society problem. They all want Bhagat Singh but they don't want कि हमारे घर में Bhagat Singh पैदा हो. That's it. And as a millennial, I'm supporting this Gen Z. And Dharmendra Pradhan, you are fired.
Just to add on the detention point,
Yes.
look at the crowd today. पहले हम डरते थे डिटेंशन से, अब वो डरते हैं हमें डिटेंशन में लेने से. There is a very interesting thing that somebody overheard. The पुलिस वाले said, यूथ को अब डर लगना बंद हो गया है.
That's interesting. So you heard all these people who have been coming here every day, and a lot of protesters also tell me that to avoid these detentions and police action, they are avoiding to coming here like individually, but they are coming out in groups in large numbers, and that is how they are coming here every day through social media, through WhatsApp groups and Instagram pages. That's how they are making friends and coming here every day. Hi, could you tell me your name?
My name is Samitha.
Kamina what?
Samitha Valanche.
Are you a working professional student?
No, I'm a student.
You're coming here for the first time?
No, this is my second time over here.
What made you come here? Like, and you come with a poster, which I believe you have created yourself.
Yes, I've created myself. The treatment which the students were getting at Jantar Mantar triggered me so much that I was like, I had to come to the protest because the treatment was so unfair. And I really don't like what Modi is doing to our economy and everything that is happening. So which made me create this poster.
And you are also coming here with...
Yeah, I'm a friend, Dhriti Dua.
So you guys are coming here for the second time. How did you manage, did anyone tell you to come
We
here?
had to really convince our parents for this because they are like लाठी चार्ज हो रही है, don't go, don't go. And we are like कि नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. कल कोई कुछ बोलेगा कि कुछ और हो रहा है, तुम क्यों जा रहे हो, तुम्हारे साथ तो नहीं हुआ है, but हमारे साथ नहीं हुआ है, but हम we stand with the students. It's completely not right with जो भी हुआ है. So we just think it's absolutely pathetic. Like we should resign.
And how did you come to know about the protest?
We come to know through social media, Instagram.
There was no news on the official television news channels. We got to know everything from the social media, like from the Instagram, especially how the treatment was happening. All the media channels in India, the national level TV channels, all were silent. They spoke up only after an official statement came from the government. Until then, they didn't say anything.
So for you, it was social media, and that's how you
It
decided.
was also a shock for us because Jantar Mandir के टाइम पे जो भी tear gas वगैरह हुआ है, we had no idea because they had completely blocked the internet. We came to know through videos after like 24 hours. उस 24 hours में हमें नहीं पता कि कितने सर फूटे हैं, कितना कुछ हुआ है, कितना violence हुआ है. So we completely stand with the students. I think.
So that is the reason, like, you want to come here.
Yeah, we
and
want to show our support. Even it's in Delhi, if we can't go, but we can be in Mumbai and we can show our support.
For the past 1 week in Mumbai, every day, students and youngsters are coming out around 4 p.m., 5 p.m. in the afternoon. They are coming out in large numbers, in groups, in Shivaji Park. And when we spoke to a lot of these protesters, they say that they have been coming out here by forming WhatsApp groups and Instagram groups. And there are these lots of groups that have been already, multiple groups that are being formed. And people are sharing information and, stuff about the protest, and that's how they are getting to know that where the protest is happening, what time it is happening, when it is happening. So this is something that is unique for Mumbai, that people are coming here. There is no one particular face that is leading these protests. People are not coming here under the political banner. There are, you can see, like, the national flag that they are carrying. They are carrying these posters and banners across, but they are not here because of any particular political reasons. They say, all they say, you can see that they are here on their own. They are participating in it. What they say is that what happened in Delhi was not right, and also they are concerned about their futures, and that is the reason they are coming. And you can see many more people are still coming. They are pouring out in large numbers, and this happened despite over the last 1 week Mumbai police had detained over 1,000 people already. There have been notices sent to these people. There have been FIRs slapped against them. But despite that, the people are coming out in large numbers because they say that they want to protest. They wanted to participate. What is happening in the country at the moment, and Shivaji Park is becoming the epicenter for it. From Mumbai, Shivaji Park. This is me, Purva Chitnis, for The Print.
Matra!